Today I'm going to teach you how to fix Instagram song currently unavailable. The main reason that you're facing this issue is that Instagram does not allow a particular song or some of the songs to be played in a particular region or country. If that is happening to you, then you won't be able to fix it even if you try using a VPN. Now it should be fixed later when Instagram updates and you should have that particular song later on. But if that is not the case and you're having that issue on each and every song that you're trying to add on Instagram, that is happening because there is some kind of bug or glitch in the system. So in order to fix this issue, what you can do is you can open up the Play Store or the App Store and then search for Instagram. If there are any new updates, you can tap on update and update the app. As I said, this could be caused because there are some kind of bugs, and updating apps helps to fix those bugs. Now alternatively, what you can also do is you can tap on this Instagram logo right here, and then you can download the beta version of Instagram. You should have an option of join right here, and once you do, it's going to update you to the latest and test version of Instagram. Now if it still does not fix the issue, what you can do now is try to uninstall the app of Instagram from your phone and then reinstall it again. Once you do that, you should be able to have the option fixed and you should be able to use the songs on your posts. But if you still cannot see the songs after doing all these, that means that Instagram is facing an issue right now. If that is the case, then you need to wait out a couple of hours before they fix this issue, and then you should pretty much be able to add in the song later on. So wait out a couple of hours and then try to add in the song, and that should pretty much be fixed. So that's all it is to it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.